Welcome to our video on Forests, Our Lifeline. We will explore Chapter 17 of Class 7 Science and discover why forests are truly the green lungs of our planet. Imagine stepping into a dense forest. The air is cool, and the city noise is replaced by the sounds of nature. Forests are more than just trees. They are vibrant, living entities full of complex life and activity. What defines a forest? It is a large area thickly covered with trees, shrubs, herbs, and creepers. Forests act as complex ecosystems, create their own microclimate, and are often called the green lungs because they purify the air we breathe. Forest ecosystems are composed of both biotic and abiotic elements. Biotic or living components include plants, animals, and decomposers. Abiotic or non-living components consist of soil, water, air, and sunlight, which support life. The branchy part of a tree above the stem is called the crown. Crowns act like umbrellas for the forest floor and come in various shapes and sizes, such as conical, round, spreading, and pyramidal. When the branches of tall trees form a roof over the other plants, this structure is called the canopy. The canopy intercepts sunlight, making the interior of a dense forest dark and cool, even during the day. The understory refers to the different horizontal layers created by trees of varying crown sizes. This structure includes a top layer of giant trees, a middle layer of shrubs, and the lowest layer of herbs. The forest floor is dark, warm, and moist, covered with dead and decaying matter. This decaying material is spongy and provides a crucial habitat for tiny insects and decomposers, starting the nutrient recycling process. In the forest, plants are producers, making food through photosynthesis. Herbivores eat these plants directly, and carnivores eat the herbivores. Ultimately, all animals depend on plants for survival. Interdependence is a two-way street. Animals help plants through pollination, where insects and birds transfer pollen. They also aid in seed dispersal and enrich the soil with their waste, promoting forest growth. A food chain is a sequence of who eats whom to obtain energy. If one link is broken, the entire chain is affected. For example, grass is eaten by an insect, which is then eaten by a frog. The food web is a network of interconnected food chains. This complexity means animals have multiple food sources. This redundancy makes the forest ecosystem more stable and resilient. Decomposers, mainly bacteria and fungi, are the forest's cleanup crew. They break down dead matter, converting it into humus, which is vital for recycling nutrients back into the soil. Humus is the dark, organic matter formed from decay. It is essential for plant growth as it contains vital nutrients and makes the soil porous, allowing air and water to penetrate deep underground. Forests are our green lungs because they regulate the O2-CO2 cycle. Plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis, which animals use, releasing carbon dioxide. Without forests, this critical atmospheric balance would be lost. Forests are crucial for preventing soil erosion. Tree roots act as anchors, binding soil particles together. Additionally, the canopy breaks the force of rain, protecting the fertile topsoil from being washed away. Forests play a major role in the water cycle through transpiration. Trees release water vapor into the air, which contributes to cloud formation and rainfall, effectively acting as giant humidifiers for the planet. Forests also control floods. The forest floor, rich in humus and decaying leaves, acts like a sponge, absorbing rainwater slowly. This process recharges the groundwater table and prevents rapid runoff and flash floods. Forests are natural sound barriers. Trees and vegetation absorb and deflect sound waves, significantly reducing noise pollution from nearby highways or industrial areas, creating a peaceful environment for wildlife and people. Forests provide essential products like wood and timber for furniture, fuel for heating, and pulp from trees like eucalyptus for manufacturing paper. Many medicines are derived from nature's pharmacy in the forest. Examples include neem, known for its antibacterial properties, cinchona bark, which provides quinine for malaria, and eucalyptus oil for cold and congestion. Other valuable forest products include gum and resins used in paints and adhesives, natural honey from wild beehives, and sealing wax derived from lac insects. Many tribal communities rely on forests for their survival, including food, shelter, and medicine. They possess deep traditional knowledge and live in harmony with nature, taking only what they need. The forest is a dynamic, living entity. It is constantly regenerating, with new seedlings growing from dispersed seeds and old trees decomposing to enrich the soil. This continuous cycle ensures its survival and recovery. Deforestation, or clearing forests on a massive scale, is driven by various factors. The primary causes include urbanization, industrialization, clearing land for agriculture, and logging for timber and paper demand. The consequences of deforestation are severe. Fewer trees contribute to global warming by increasing CO2. It causes floods because water isn't absorbed, and it results in the loss of habitat, leading to animal extinction. Conservation efforts are critical. Afforestation is the process of planting trees where there were none before, while reforestation is replanting destroyed areas. We must focus on planting native trees suited to the local climate. Other conservation measures include enforcing strict laws against illegal logging and poaching, creating protected areas like national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, and educating the public about the value of forests. Forests are truly our lifeline. They provide us with oxygen, clean water, food, and shelter. Preserving them is not merely an option, but an absolute necessity for our continued survival on this planet. Thank you for exploring the critical role of forests with us in this video. We hope this knowledge inspires you to protect our green lungs.